What you're seeing here isn't just a rusty old screw rod. It's a piece of forgotten history, abandoned for years in some dark corner, untouched, unloved, unseen. So much rust had taken over, it looked like it would never be useful again. But some hand have the power to turn junk into something extraordinary. Watch closely. This is where the magic begins. First, the rod was soaked in a special chemical solution to loosen the rust. After some time, the transformation began. We started brushing it gently but firmly. With each stroke and each shine, it was as if the metal was breathing again. The surface scratches faded, and the rod's natural shine began to return. Next came the sandpaper. With patience, pressure, and repeated polishing, the dullness started to disappear. Then came the final polish, and honestly, for a moment, it was hard to believe. Was this really the same old rusty rod? Slowly but surely, the dirt, the rust, and the years of neglect melted away. And what emerged was a gleaming, strong screw rod, ready to serve again. Maybe in a new machine, maybe in a new story. This isn't just a cleaning video. It's a reminder nothing is truly worthless. All it takes is a fresh perspective and the will to restore.